The Denver Daisy Rudbeckia is a beautiful perennial that features striking yellow flowers with deep red, almost black centers, and grows to a mature height around 2.5 feet tall and spreads just over 1 foot wide. It blooms from July through October and is known to attract bees, butterflies, hummingbirds, and birds who come for its seed heads. Denver daisy is a great companion plant for asters, chrysanthemums, Crocosmia, sea holly, grasses, and salvia, and does a good job of deterring rabbits. The Denver daisy is a wonderful choice if you're growing a prairie garden, cut flower garden, Xeriscape garden, or fall garden, and it can be overwintered in zones 5 through 9. You can deadhead as needed, but remember to leave a few seed heads for birds in late fall and early winter. How do you make sure your Denver Daisy Rudbeckia thrives? Here are 3 easy-to-follow gardening tips for you. Tip 1. Plant your Rudbeckia, also commonly known as black-eyed Susan, in a full sun area where it will get 6 or more hours of direct sunlight. Tip 2. Water your Denver Daisy on a consistent basis. While it does not like being overwatered, it prefers soil that is consistently moist. Tip 3. Fertilize your Denver Daisy Rudbeckia once when transplanting, and then again every spring with a well-balanced, slow-release fertilizer. We hope these simple tips help you grow a stunning and vibrant Denver Daisy Rudbeckia. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips, and as always, happy gardening.